this brief tutorial, discover the easy steps to download and install Pinterest on your Windows PC or laptop. Whether you are a creative enthusiast or simply looking for inspiration, Pinterest is a fantastic platform to explore and organize ideas. Follow along as we guide you through the process, allowing you to access Pinterest's wealth of visual inspiration right from your desktop. Don't miss out on the endless possibilities of creativity. Watch now and get started with Pinterest on your Windows device. To download and install Pinterest on your Windows PC or laptop, Step 1. Open your web browser. Step 2. Go to the Pinterest website www.pinterest.com. Step 3. Look for the download or get the app option on the home page. Step 4. Click on the download link. Step 5. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Pinterest. Step 7. After installation, launch the Pinterest app. Step 8. Sign in or create a new account to start using Pinterest on your Windows device.